The EAT 8-speed automatic gearbox works in conjunction with the incredibly tactile gearshift lever. Let's look at how to get the most out of both and enhance the driving experience. The P button is for park mode. To unlock the gearbox and come out of park, simply press and hold the unlock button on the left side of the lever whilst having your foot on the brake pedal. Move the lever forward to engage R, reverse, or back to engage D, drive. Finally, to activate B mode, regenerative braking, pull the lever towards you. You'll be able to identify which mode you're in via the display screen. To deactivate it, pull the lever towards you again. On top of the gear lever is the gearbox status indicator. This shows you what mode you're in. When released, the push selector returns to its initial position. The electric parking brake has two operation modes, automatic and manual. To operate manually, at any time with the engine running, briefly pull the control lever to apply the handbrake, and briefly push it whilst pressing the brake pedal to release. In automatic mode, which is activated by default, the system applies the parking brake when the engine is switched off. It releases it when the vehicle moves off. If the driver's door is not closed properly, the handbrake will not release. It's worth noting that the handbrake will not apply automatically if the car stalls or enters stop mode of stop and start. To confirm that the parking brake has been applied, this indicator light appears on both the instrument panel and the control lever. Before leaving the vehicle, always check that the parking brake is applied and the indicator light is on. For added safety, if the driver's door is opened with the parking brake off, you'll hear an audible warning and a message will be displayed.
Citroën.